train tracks now.
Wide angle view.
Going to train tracks.
We'll go up a tree.
Get a very original video that no one's ever done before.
Whoa!
This is so hard.
Whoa!
And
why not?
one strap in for the boys.
Yo, this is quality.
That's just great.
That is good. We've got to go in it. Safe. I won't be in it. Frame.
You're the cameraman.
Sorry.
I'm gonna just walk around like this.
Yeah. Get this guy. Hurry, get this guy. Hurry, get him. Hurry, get him. I follow him around. Follow him around the bike. Let me get this one.
I don't think they do that, Harry. Really? I don't think they do that.
Let's get some stones then. Fuck you, mate.
Hashtag Casey Neistat vlog.
Oh, now you're coming, now you're coming.
I think he's getting... Yeah, so we're at a bridge now. It's very close. Are you zoomed in like all the way?
No, no.
Okay. So, and it's very close to where we're going. Behind the camera, hey. Hashtag behind the scenes in an amazing Edwin Braun video. Full-time YouTuber, get paid for this shit. Free videos.
This guy stopped running because we have a camera. He was running really slow.
He's scared of it. That's why.
Oh, just got a bike. Harry, just got a bike. How are you going to take him? Yeah. Legendary shot. We're recording for Sky Sports. I don't think he's listening. Yesterday was deadline day. City didn't sign anyone, so I'm sad. But
yeah, they didn't buy like...
Borussia Dortmund signed Ronaldo on a 3-year deal for 46.5 billion.
Liverpool bought Ronaldo as well.
Yeah, there's 2 Ronaldos now.
I think he's just in love. He'd like to be in the video, so... He's zoomed in on his head. Should be watching my daily vlogs. I do upload daily.
Sponsor, what we're going to sponsor?
This has been a channel
sponsoring Nike.
Yes, and I've
Wait, what
uploaded
is it? I can't see it. Where is sponsor it?
Nike.
More Nike.
I sponsor Adidas
Yeah,
and Primark and Eastpak.
this guy. Make him. No,
Don't.
it's disrespectful.
Make the bike.
Let's snap it. Good afternoon. Action up. Oh, rude bitch.
I like
Good afternoon.
Rude. Rude. There's some people across the canal.
Shit.
It isn't as hard as last time, I don't think. Ah! Okay, never mind. It wasn't as muddy last time.
That's a bit difficult.
Ah! Okay. You're gonna fall down. I'm definitely gonna fall down. Yeah, I'm not getting that down.
We are. There's a car park. There's where we're going. You can probably see the tripod as well. There's these two goons. Hi! There's another fence
I'm
over
the
there.
channel geezer though, so I'm not a goon.
It's still a goon.
Watching me because I'm an amazing YouTuber that puts videos up daily.
Daily
Food
vlogs.
up on my family's plate, and
What family have you got?
I have many kids and stuff.
I have a Lego creative family.
I go on Sims all the time.
Whoa!
That's actually my favourite game. I like Sims.
Sims is dead.
Sims is my favourite game.
There's a lot of... Oh, someone took down our wire.
Was it good?
Last time we came, took one of these wires
We've never been here before.
and we wrapped it.
Completely adventurous.
Wrapped it around these.
It's just all a dream.
Wrapped it around these hooks over here. So, welcome with the trap. There's one coming as well. Harry, there's one coming. Saying.
So, last time we came here, I mean, what? We've never been here. It was a lot less overgrown. Now it's a bit. Ah, shit, my shoes.
It's a bit bushy.
It's a bit bushy, like, you know. Yeah, so it's going to be a lot harder to get through. Eventually going to an actual live train track, which is
Not a good idea.
not a good idea. Don't do it. It's not safe. Even though I'm going to get like 6 people that actually watch this video. Because I have so many subscribers. Big up my 7 subscribers. Can we get 25,000 billion likes on this video, please?
And you'll get a free Chipotle
You get a free, I'll give everyone that gives likes a free Chipotle.
delivered to your house.
I don't even know what Chipotle is, I think it does Chipotle.
It's Mexican, I think.
I'm pretty sure it's in America though.
Considering we're in the UK, it's a man at work.
Ah, it's a tree in my face.
You can have a free Nando's delivery.
Free Nando's delivery to your house if you get me to 25 million subscribers. I'm already on 25 million subscribers. Likes. Yeah. I'm gonna name this video. Ah, Jesus Christ. That's not gonna be the name of the video. Name of the video is gonna be getting hit by a train on train tracks, and it's gonna be clickbait and shit, like every YouTuber. Photoshop video. Can you even do Photoshop videos? Even it's called Photoshop. Photoshop thumbnails of me getting killed by Olive Gardens. Walking down trains. Yo guys.
We did it.
Haters will say it's fake. Subscribe.
Yes, I did.
Ah, you thought it was the end of the video, it's not.
That's a photo.